We have given implicit relation and we have to find maximum and minimum points. So first we will take derivative of both sides and we will treat y as a differentiable function of x. So derivative of 9 times x squared is 9 times 2 times x plus derivative of 4y squared will be 4 times 2y, and we have to treat y as a differentiable function of x, so it will be times y prime is equal derivative of 36 is 0. So we have 18x plus 8y y prime is equal 0. Now I will collect term with y prime on the left side and 18x I will move to the right side. So we have 8 times y prime equals negative 18x. To find y prime, I will divide both sides by 8y. So this we can reduce, and 18 divided by 2 is 9 over 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we have y prime is equal negative 9x over 4y. So now we have to set our derivative equal 0. Y prime will be equal 0 if and only if numerator will be 0, because the numerator cannot be 0. So we have negative 9x is equal 0. We divide both sides by negative 9, so we have x equals 0. Now we will go to original our function and we replace x by 0. So we have 9 times 0 to second power plus 4y squared equals 36. So we have 4y squared equals 36. We divide both sides by 4. So we have y squared is equal 9. Y is equal plus minus 3. So the points of zero slope are, we have x 0 and y equals first negative 3, and the second point is 0 positive 3. So we have critical points. Now to find maximum and minimum points we will use second derivative test. It means we have to find first second derivative. It means we have to find the derivative of our first derivative. So y bis is equal, we have to use quotient rule, and don't forget to treat y as a differentiable function of x. So we have in numerator we will have 4y times derivative of numerator, derivative of negative 9x is negative 9 minus, now we have to copy numerator, we have negative 9x times derivative of denominator, so we have derivative of 4y is 4 times y prime, because we treat y as a differentiable function of x. So this is over 4y squared. So we can factorize 4, so will be in parentheses negative 9y, negative and negative give me positive 9xy prime over 16y squared. 4 with 16 we can reduce. So we have negative 9y plus 9x y prime over 4y squared. Now we will replace y prime by this formula. So this is equal. So negative 9y we just copy plus 9x times, and we have negative 9x over 4y over 4y squared. So this is equal negative 9y, positive and negative give me negative, and 9 times 9 is 81, x times x is x squared, over 4y, everything over 4y squared. Because we have fraction, I changed this expression to fraction too. So I will multiply this number by 4y. So it will be negative 9y times 4y over 4y minus 81x squared over 4y, everything over 4y squared. So this is equal, when we have the same denominator, we can subtract fractions. So we have negative 9 times 4 is negative 36y squared minus 81x squared over 4y, everything over 4y squared. So because we have fraction in numerator, I will make fraction in denominator over 1. So when we divide two fractions, we copy the first fraction and change the sign to multiplication and flip the denominator. So it will be negative 36y squared minus 81x squared over 4y times 1 over 4y squared. This is equal, it will be negative 36y squared minus 81x squared over 16y to power 3. Now, when we have the second derivative, we have to replace x and y first by the coordinates of first point and check if the second derivative will be positive or negative. When will be positive, we will have minimum. When will be negative, we will have maximum. So, first point, let's check at point 0, negative 3, y this is equal, we have negative 36 times y squared, so it will be negative 3 to second power minus 81, and we have x squared, x is equal 0 to second power over 16 times negative 3 to third power. So this is equal, we have negative 36 times negative 3 to second power is 9. 81 times 0 will be 0. So we have 16 times negative 3 to third power is negative 27. Now, negative and negative give us positive. Because we have multiplication, we can reduce 9 with 27 will be 3. And 36 with 16 divided by 4 will be 9 over 4. And we can reduce 9 with 3. So will be 3. So we have 3 over 4. 3 over 4 is positive number, so it means at point 0, negative 3, we have minimum. Now we have to do the same for the second critical point. So at 0, 3, we have to replace again in the second derivative x and y by 0 and 3. So it will be negative 36 times y squared, so it will be 3 to second power, minus 81 times 0 to second power over, we have 16 times y to third power, so will be 3 to third power. So this is equal. We have negative 36 times 9, 81 times 0 will be 0, over 16 times 27. So this is equal. We can reduce 27 with 9, 36 with 16, so it will be divided by 4, 9 and 4, and 9 with 3 will be 3. So we have negative 3 over 4. We got negative number. It means at point 0, 3, we have maximum. So this is my solution.